5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This hair is from Elva Hair, and I'm going to be showing you guys how it looks, and I'm going to be showing you guys the unboxing of this hair. So let's get into it. So let's get this guy opened. I mean, they made sure nothing happens to this. All right. Does this slide off? I think this part is supposed to slide off. I don't know. Ugh. Maybe I should have opened this part off camera. Oh, there it is. I'm just ripping this box all the way up, you guys. I will say, this hair company, make sure that your product is in here safe and sound. Nothing's happening. All right, so after I got the box open, there is now another package, and let's get into the package. Ooh. So as you can see, it definitely has this net on it, and this is not tracks. It is not clip-ins, but it is a wig. This is a wig. Gorgeous. I love it. All right, so this is my newbie. Fresh out of the box. Fresh out of the box. Now, let me see if it came with any. All right, it does come with some things. So, in the box, there is a Elva family letter. Also in the box, it comes with a weaving cap. And this is a cool mesh cap. And then it also comes with a happy friendship forever. Wish you have a nice day. Could have made it a complete sentence. But anyways, I'm not going to get into that. This is from the lady that I purchased this hair from, and her name is Nancy. Now, first off, as I just rub my fingers through this hair, I don't have any tangles, which is a plus. And as of now, I have no shedding, which is also a plus. Now, this hair smells like hair to me. It smells like hair. It doesn't come with like a foul smell. It smells like hair. It smells like weave. So, yeah. It smells good. Now, they did not include hair specs for this wig. So, I can tell you what I ordered, but, you know, I wish they had included that in my box. So if I didn't remember, I would remember. But anyways, I do remember. And this is in the length of 24 inches. And it's actually pretty thick all the way to the ends. You guys can see. Like I said, this is just my unboxing of this hair. I will be installing it and giving you guys my real initial review on it. But so far, so good. I love the luster on this hair. It's really shiny. Looks like it has sort of a pre-plucked hairline already, which is definitely another plus. Pre-plucked hairline. Now, the lace, I don't know if it's my complexion. Looks to be a little bit lighter than my complexion, but the knots look already bleached, to be honest with you. It does come with combs. It comes with 3 in the front as well as 1 in the back. So you do have combs as well as the fasteners to tighten it up on your head if need be. So yeah, you'll be able to definitely hold this baby down. So yeah, I can't recall if it had your cap size or not. I want to say it was like one size fit all, but looks pretty good. But for me, I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna go back in and do my personal thing to my hair. I never wear a wig straight out the box, and I advise you not to either. But anyways, no shade. If you do, girl, do your thing. But I am going to go in and customize this wig to my personal liking. If you would like to see how I do that, like I said, definitely stay tuned to my channel. Hit the notifications button so you don't miss an upload. But I will be showing you how I customize this wig. I also will be showing you how I apply this wig. So if you want to know how I apply this wig and you want to know my initial thoughts about this wig, definitely keep a watch out for that. But I can already tell you guys from first looks and unboxing this hair, I'm going to love it. Like, I'm going to love it. I'm going to be ready to slay for you. Yes, because I can already tell. See, I know hair, and this is some good hair. So the company that this wig is from will be linked in the description box. This hair is from Aliexpress. So if you guys are wondering, it is from Aliexpress. I do have my top vendors that I only order from. So I haven't tried a wig from this vendor, but I will be doing a video soon as well on my top Aliexpress vendors. And these are vendors that I have tried. These are vendors that I have ordered from more than once. So for me, the hair has been great. So I will be revealing my top 5 Aliexpress vendors very soon. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope to see you guys again soon. Thank you for checking in, and you guys have a wonderful day.